One day, while cutting wood in the forest, Ali Baba overheard a band of 40 thieves approaching their hidden treasure cave. Their leader stood before a massive rock and shouted, "Asterisk, open sesame!" Miraculously, the rock slid open, revealing a cave filled with gold and jewels. After the thieves left, Ali Baba repeated the command, entered, and took a modest amount of gold home. His wealthy brother Qasim soon noticed Ali Baba's sudden fortune and demanded an explanation. Ali Baba confided the secret of the cave. Greedy Qasim rushed there, but in his excitement, he forgot the magic words. Trapped inside, he was discovered and brutally killed by the returning thieves. When Qasim failed to return, Ali Baba grew worried and went to the cave. Finding his brother's dismembered body, he brought it home, where Morgiana, his clever and loyal slave, helped arrange a secret burial to avoid suspicion. Meanwhile, the thieves realized Qasim's body had been taken, meaning someone else knew their secret. The captain swore vengeance. He sent a spy to town who learned of Ali Baba's connection to Qasim. Disguised as a merchant, the captain brought mules carrying large oil jars, one filled with oil, the others hiding his remaining men. He claimed to be a weary traveler and asked for shelter. Ali Baba, unsuspecting, welcomed him warmly. Morgiana, however, grew suspicious. Late that night, she checked the jars and heard whispers inside. Realizing the danger, she boiled oil and poured it into each jar, scalding the hidden thieves to death. The next morning, the captain was horrified to find his men dead but maintained his disguise. He thanked Ali Baba and left, plotting his next move. Determined to kill Ali Baba himself, the captain later returned, disguised as a wealthy merchant. He befriended Ali Baba's son and was invited to dinner. Morgiana, serving the meal, recognized him as the thief leader from his voice and mannerisms. While performing a dagger dance, she swiftly stabbed him in the heart. Ali Baba and his son cried out in shock, but Morgiana revealed the dagger hidden in the man's robe. Asterisk, this was no merchant, but the captain of the 40 thieves, she declared. Asterisk, you refuse salt at your table, a sign of treachery. Grateful for her quick thinking, Ali Baba rewarded Morgiana by freeing her and arranging her marriage to his son. The wedding was celebrated with great joy. A year passed with no sign of the last two thieves, so Ali Baba returned to the cave. The door still opened at Asterisk, open sesame. He took more treasure and shared the secret with his son, ensuring their family's wealth for generations. And so, through Morgiana's bravery and Ali Baba's wisdom, they lived in prosperity and peace.